Hi everyone, I'm Caroline Berger, Director of Corporate and Community Relations for the University of Arizona Health Sciences in Phoenix, and I'm here with a quick nutrition tip for you, courtesy of our Wellness Wednesdays celebrating health and holiday series. If you're counting carbs and calories, I have a great substitute for you for spaghetti and pasta: spaghetti squash. It's easy to make. You can bake it, broil it, steam it, or even microwave like I've done here, and be sure to substitute it for your pasta favorites and also spaghetti noodles. You can serve it on its own or pair it with spaghetti marinara sauce, Alfredo, or even some pesto with some pine nuts, and it's absolutely delicious. And best of all, it's only 42 calories per 1 cup serving. So I encourage you to enjoy this new tasty treat for you and your family. And on behalf of everyone at the University of Arizona Health Sciences, we want to wish you the best for a healthy and happy holiday season and a bright and wonderful new year. Take care.